Okay, I'm gonna shoot now.
Go for it. Yeah.
The sunflowers. Wow. I shoot high.
It's all right. Is it heavy?
Is it over?
Got one more?
Yeah, it is heavy, but it's a good workout.
There you go.